In movies and cartoons, rats and mice are often depicted as adorable characters. In reality, they are dangerous, destructive pests. Worldwide, rats and mice spread more than 35 diseases and can spread more than 200 human pathogens. Each year, rodents destroy crops, spread disease, and cause enormous amounts of damage to poultry and livestock operations. Poultry and livestock facilities are ideal environments for rodents. These sites offer an abundance of food, water, and lots of places to hide and harbor. But when rodents move in, they consume and contaminate feed and can cause extensive damage to farm equipment and structures. Additionally, rodents can threaten the health of your livestock. The safety, productivity, and profitability of your agribusiness depends on finding effective rodent control you can count on. As the leading manufacturer of pest management solutions, BASF recognizes the seriousness of the rodent threat, as well as the challenges of controlling rats and mice. We are proud to introduce Selontra Rodent Bait, a patented soft bait formulation that offers poultry and livestock operations a new level of fast, effective, and efficient rodent control. BASF spent the last 5 years researching and developing a breakthrough formulation that houses the active ingredient in Selontra, cholecalciferol, into a palatable bait matrix. Thanks to the patented polyolefin film that protects the bait in a perforated wrapper, rats and mice can easily recognize Selontra as an attractive bait, even when other appealing food sources are present. In a choice feeding test, rodents preferred Selontra to a major fast food chain's all-beef hamburger. It proved to be both palatable and efficacious against Norway rats, with a palatability ratio of 1.32. Poultry and livestock operations benefit from using Selontra rodent bait in 3 ways. 1. Fast colony kill. In U.S. field trials, Selontra proved to control rat and mice infestation in as few as 7 days. 2. Effective resistance management tool. The need for innovative technologies to combat the rodent resistance is real. Fortunately, Selontra rodent bait contains an active ingredient effective at controlling rats and mice strains resistant to anticoagulant rodenticides. 3. Efficient use of bait. Selontra's active ingredient, cholecalciferol, demonstrates a stop-feed action which causes rodents to lose their appetite after ingesting a lethal dose. Rodents eat only enough for a lethal dose, allowing the subdominant rodents to feed sooner. As a result, poultry and livestock operations benefit from shortened baiting programs and less bait required to kill populations. When it comes down to rodent control, Selontra sets itself apart and delivers true value to your operation.